Alright, let's dive right into it. Imagine you're building a massive skyscraper. You've got the blueprints, the steel, the concrete, but you need a central command center, a nerve system to make sure everything runs smoothly. You need to know where every pipe, every wire, every employee is, and how they're all working together. Now, is that nerve system going to be a patchwork of different tools or a unified, integrated platform? That's the question we're tackling today, specifically in the context of business software. Is NetSuite similar to Workday? You've probably heard these names thrown around in boardroom meetings, tech conferences, and maybe even your own company's internal discussions. NetSuite and Workday, they're both titans in the world of enterprise software, promising to streamline operations, boost efficiency, and give you that all-important single source of truth. But are they really interchangeable? Are they just two sides of the same coin? Or are they fundamentally different, designed for different purposes and different types of businesses? Let's break it down. Before we get into the nitty-gritty comparisons, it's crucial to understand the core strengths of each platform. NetSuite, at its heart, is an enterprise resource planning ERP system. Think of it as a comprehensive suite of applications that cover everything from financials and accounting to inventory management, order processing, and even customer relationship management, CRM. It's designed to give you a 360-degree view of your entire business, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your operations. Workday, on the other hand, is primarily known for its human capital management, HCM, and financial management applications. It excels in managing your workforce, from recruitment and onboarding to payroll, benefits, and talent management. It also provides powerful financial planning and analysis tools. While it does have some financial functionalities, its focus is heavily on the people side of the business. So, right off the bat, we see a key difference in their primary focus. NetSuite is a broad, all-encompassing ERP, while Workday specializes in HCM and financial management. This difference in focus leads to different strengths and weaknesses, different target audiences, and different implementation approaches. Now, let's look at the specific areas where they overlap and where they diverge. Both NetSuite and Workday offer financial management capabilities. However, NetSuite's financial module is deeply integrated with its other ERP functions, allowing for seamless data flow and real-time reporting across the entire organization. This makes it ideal for businesses that need to track inventory costs, revenue recognition, and other financial metrics in conjunction with their operational data. Workday's financial management, while robust, is more focused on financial planning, analysis, and reporting. It's particularly strong in areas like budgeting, forecasting, and financial consolidation. This makes it a great fit for organizations that need sophisticated financial planning tools, but may not need the full breadth of NetSuite's ERP functionality. When it comes to HCM, Workday is the undisputed leader. Its HCM suite is renowned for its user-friendly interface, comprehensive functionality, and deep analytics capabilities. It allows you to manage the entire employee lifecycle, from recruitment and onboarding to performance management and succession planning. It also offers powerful tools for talent development, learning, and compensation management. NetSuite does offer HCM capabilities, but they're not as extensive as Workday's. NetSuite's HCM focuses on core HR functions like employee records, payroll, and benefits administration. It's sufficient for many small and medium-sized businesses, but larger organizations with complex HR needs may find it lacking compared to Workday. Another crucial aspect to consider is their target audience. NetSuite is often favored by mid-sized and growing businesses that need a comprehensive ERP system to manage their expanding operations. It's particularly popular in industries like manufacturing, distribution, and e-commerce, where inventory management and order processing are critical. Workday, on the other hand, tends to be preferred by larger enterprises with complex HR and financial needs. Its robust HCM and financial planning capabilities make it a natural fit for organizations with thousands of employees and intricate financial structures. Implementation is another area where NetSuite and Workday differ. NetSuite, being a cloud-based ERP, is generally faster and easier to implement than traditional on-premise systems. However, It still requires careful planning and configuration to ensure it aligns with your specific business processes. Workday, while also cloud-based, can be more complex to implement, especially for large organizations with intricate HR and financial structures. Its implementation often requires extensive customization and integration with other systems. Now, let's talk about integration. Both platforms offer APIs and integration tools that allow you to connect them with other business applications. However, the level of integration and the ease of implementation can vary depending on the specific systems you're trying to connect. NetSuite, with its broad ERP functionality, is designed to be a central hub for your business data. This makes it relatively easy to integrate with other applications that need access to financial, inventory, or customer data. Workday, being more focused on HCM and financial management, may require more effort to integrate with systems that are outside of its core areas of expertise. Let's address a common misconception. Can you use both? Absolutely. In fact, many organizations do. They leverage Workday for its best-in-class HCM and financial planning capabilities, while using NetSuite for its comprehensive ERP functionality. This approach allows them to combine the strengths of both platforms and create a powerful, integrated business ecosystem. However, this approach also requires careful planning and integration to ensure that data flows seamlessly between the two systems. You'll need to consider factors like data mapping, synchronization, and security to ensure that everything works smoothly. So, to answer the initial question, is NetSuite similar to Workday? The answer is both yes and no. They both offer financial management capabilities, and they both aim to streamline business operations. However, they have different primary focuses, different strengths, and different target audiences. If you're a mid-sized business looking for a comprehensive ERP system to manage your entire operation, NetSuite is likely a good fit. If you're a large enterprise with complex HR and financial needs, Workday's HCM and financial planning capabilities may be more appealing. And if you're looking for the best of both worlds, you can consider using both platforms in conjunction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.